Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to customize the cart page in Shopify using the Dawn theme. If you run an online store and want to create a better shopping experience for your customers, optimizing the cart page is a great place to start. So let's dive in. Dawn is Shopify's free and highly customizable theme, known for its speed and flexibility. The cart page plays a crucial role in the shopping experience, and customizing it can improve conversions and provide a more seamless checkout process. Let's explore what we can do. First of all, sign into your Shopify account and go to online store from left sidebar. Here under themes, make sure you have the latest version of a Dawn theme. If an update is available, I highly recommend updating before making changes. Now click on Customize from right side. Inside the theme editor, click the page selector at the top and select cart. Um, cart. Here the cart. This will open the cart page where all our customizations will take place. The down theme allows you to adjust how the card appears. You can choose between a drawer card, a separate page, or a pop-up notification. Head to card settings and select the layout that best fits your needs. If you want to make your card page more visually appealing, you can add an image banner. Click on Add section, image banner, and upload a promotional or themed image. You can also remove the default heading text to keep it clean. To allow customers to leave special instructions, enable the card notes option. This is great for personalized orders or custom requests. You can also modify how customers adjust product quantities in their cart. Choose between buttons or a drop-down menu for a more user-friendly experience. Adding a you may also like section. Boost sales by adding a you may also like section. Simply add collection, then select and set it to display related products. Here, this encourages customers to explore more items before checking out. If you want to highlight a special offer, you can add a message in the cart. Go to cart settings and insert a short promotional text. Like use code to use code welcome 10 for 10% off at checkout. Once you have made your changes, test your card page by adding a product and reviewing how everything looks and functions. Check if the quantity, updates, card notes, and recommendations work smoothly. And that's it. You have successfully customized your Shopify cart page with the Dawn theme. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.